Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here until you're looking for Photomath app, or just click on search. Then here add photo match, it's going to show for you like this here. You click on it. So then you come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store here. So then here you then here you search here for Photomath, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.